How to enroll at Mariana Academy. Visit our official website. If you have questions, you can always log into your messenger or continue as guest. Choose from the wide area of trainings and courses. We also provide assessment. Scroll down for more options. Select your desired training or course. Select the specific category for that course. Select a specific course. You will see the details of the course and its requirements. Click Enroll. Click View Cart. Always double-check your cart. Click Proceed to Payment. Upload a screenshot of your application number or MISMO. This is applicable for STCW training courses only. Choose the file. Once uploaded, click OK. Fill out the necessary details. Be sure to provide the correct Seafarer's registration number, phone number, and email address. Create your account username and account password. Once everything is okay, click the Enroll button. Double-check the details. Now you can check on your email. You will receive the first message from us. This contains your account details. Once our admissions officer is going to receive your email, we will be sending the schedule. Check your email and you will see something like this. Once the schedule is okay with you, you can click Yes to confirm. Our admissions officer is going to send you a copy for your payment details. Once the payment has been made, we will be sending you a confirmation receipt. This contains the following details: the date of visit, the time, and the requirements that you are going to bring once you are going to visit Mariana Academy. Thank you so much for enrolling at Mariana Academy. Have a good day.